In this video, I'll show you how to obtain a Cash App card if you're under 18. To begin, open the Cash App on your mobile device and click on the card icon located at the bottom of the screen. From here, select Get Free Cash Card. Once you're on the designated page, pick your preferred card style. If you wish to personalize your card, simply click on Personalize. Here you can add your signature, emojis, and even enable or disable your cash tag. Once satisfied with the changes, click Done. And then click on Order Card. Next, provide your shipping address and click Next. Then click on Use Anyway. Now, it will prompt you to enter your legal name, followed by clicking on Next. And adding your date of birth before hitting Next again. To use a Cash App card, you must be at least 13 years old. After selecting Next, you'll reach this page. Simply click on Request Approval. You'll be asked to enter your parents' details. However, if your parents don't use Cash App or for any other reason, you can't get approval. You have the option to enter the details of an elder sibling, cousin, or anyone you trust who is above 18. The person authorizing on your behalf must have a registered and verified Cash App account. Click on Send in the top right corner. Once completed, you'll be directed to the Waiting for Approval screen. The Cash App will require the parent or guardian to confirm the details and authorize your requests, after which the processing of the cash card will begin, and you will receive your card within 2 weeks. Once approved by your parent or guardian, you will be able to make direct cash deposits, send, receive, and request funds. Add up to $7,500 to your cash balance every 30 days. Spend $25,000 every 7 days. Make ATM withdrawals. Take advantage of the instant rewards and use the cash card for making purchases. Thank you so much for watching and see you in my next video.